This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the essentials are in place. Account access, region enabled, and your Bedrock Preview enrollment accepted. Next, install AWS CLI version 2 and configure a profile with credentials. This lets you call services directly. Once done, export environment variables for AWS profile, Oz region, and Bedrock KEY so commands run without prompts. You do this now to avoid permission errors later. It's faster than troubleshooting mid-setup, and it guarantees your first API call will authenticate. You now build a minimal JSON payload with input text, desired model, and safety settings. This reduces variables for testing. Then, run an AWS CLI call or use the SDK in your language to invoke the model. Stream responses if you need partial output or lower latency. Make sure to set sensible timeouts and retry logic. Once you see predictable output, inspect tokens used, response time, and cost estimate to tune max tokens and sampling. This prevents surprises and optimizes throughput. You finish by integrating Bedrock calls into your application with retry policies, rate limit handling, and token refresh. Add structured logging to capture inputs and responses. Once deployed, monitor CloudWatch for latency, error spikes, and budget thresholds so you catch regressions early. If something breaks, check 4 common causes: IAM permissions, region or endpoint mismatch, rotated API keys, and malformed request payloads. Address those in order, and replicate the failing request locally to iterate quickly. This is the fastest path to resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.